Form 1310 is how someone claims a tax refund owed to a person who has died. If you're a surviving spouse or the representative of the estate, this tells the IRS to release the refund to you. Let's fill it out. Start with the tax year the refund is for, the decedent's name, and their date of death. Here, Anna Baker, who passed in March of 2025. Next, your information as the person claiming the refund, your name and mailing address. The refund will be issued based on what you enter here. Part 1 asks who you are: a surviving spouse, a court-appointed representative, or someone else claiming under state law. Check the box that fits. Box C means you'll answer the questions in Part 2 and may need to attach the death certificate. Sign and date Form 1310, attach it to the return claiming the refund, and you're done. Click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com.